What's up guys, welcome back to the next video in learning PHP. My name is Zani and you guys watching my channel Coriowood. Alright, so when we start the return, where is the return? When we start our my functions and we started the return values, and we said that you guys, there is three ways you guys can return value. There is the first one is you guys just can return one single value or double value. You guys can do your arithmetic, whatever you guys want to do, or you guys can display the list of your friends. And then the next one is going to be the next one was returning array, and the third way you can return the global variables. Alright, so we have created a file to save time, and it says that global.php. Whatever you guys want to put it, you can put it here. XYZ, your name, whatever your friend's name or your relatives names, whatever likes you guys like, you can put it. The reason I put it global, so because I just want to show you guys how you guys gonna make a function to return your global variables. Alright, so what is the global variables? Global variables or global vars is variables outside a function. So if you guys got say function, or you guys can bring from the previous video my function, so you guys can bring these guys here, function my friends. You guys can put your function my friends. So now you have if you guys want to put your variables, you guys need to put say friend 1 or friend 2 and friend 3. Say now you guys can go index whatever friends you guys got. Say my friends it's going to be Yazani, Michael and Azad, so you guys can bring this one as well, and you can put it on top to make a variable. So how we're going to make variable? We're going to remove this, and we're going to put this one here and put this one here, and remove this guy from here. So actually we have Yazdani, Michael, and we have Azad as our friends. Okay, so the first one, what we're going to name is a friend 1, and we're going to take all the friends on top. So we say friend 1, and we're going to assign Yazdani to friend 1. Then we're going to do, to make variable, you guys can put XYZ, ABC. You don't have to put a friend. The reason I put a friend, so it's going to be logical, so you guys remember, because once you guys the trick is that if I put a friend or something, so you guys can remember for longer instead of XYZ. That's the best way to learn. You guys can put your friend's name because you guys gonna remember for longer. Okay, so we have three variables now. You guys, as I said, you guys can put ABC, you guys can put F, whatever you FRD, whatever you guys like, whatever. So naming variable, you don't have to put what I'm putting here. You guys can put anything you guys like. Okay, so now we have three variables, and we have a function that our function's got a friend. And what we're gonna do, so if you guys gonna come here, you guys can say echo your variables, so echo, and you guys can put a friend 1, then you guys can put your concatenation, make a space, another concatenation, friend 2, concatenation, space, concatenation, and you guys can put friend 3. Alright, so if you guys wanna echo your variables, so I'm gonna put a comment here, so this guy is not interfering with our variables. You guys looking here, so I just wanted to show you guys the variable. So if you're gonna come here and we're gonna file or look up for a file, it says sits on a function, and if you come here, we're gonna put a function, and in the function we're gonna go on a global, and you guys are gonna look, it says Danny, Michael, and Azad. Alright, so you guys can call your function as well here, so you don't need to. So we're gonna show you guys how you guys gonna call your functions. Okay, so now we're gonna come here, and you guys can put it here as well, your friend. Just you guys gonna leave it here, you see first, uppercase first letter. So all you guys gotta do is that you guys gonna come here and declare your global variables for your friends. So you're gonna come here and say global. You guys can declare that one a global, and your global is friend one. So your friends one is now global, and we're gonna come here and put a friends one again. Because why one friend one? Because you guys want your friend one to show that like this. You guys can put it on top too. So you guys come here, global, and you guys can put a global, and it's gonna be friend 2, and it's gonna be global, and it's gonna be friend 3. Friend 3. Okay, so now your friend 1, 2, and 3 is got a UC, and you guys gonna remove the return. You guys just remove the return, and you guys call your function here my friends. Okay, and now you guys can echo your friends again. So we're gonna put echo, and you guys can see that your friends gonna be say uppercase, and it's gonna be all here. Okay, so now once you guys done this, then you guys needs to remove these parameters here. You guys just remove your parameter. Okay, so once you guys remove your parameter, now we have global variables friend 1, friend 2, and friend 3. We have assigned Yazdani to friend 1, Michael to us friend 2, and Azad to friend 3. We have already equaled our friends here. We are calling our invoking our function, and we are invoking friend 1. We are again echoing our friend 1, friend 2, and friend 3. So this guy is here, as we seen the first one, that the first letter was lower, and we're going to see this one's because now this is coming from our function. And if you remember, if you notice, we have removed our parameter from here, and we have removed our function from here, return. So if you guys remember, we had a return here, so we removed our return because we are calling the global variables. Any function here underneath, they have access. So function xyz, can have a global friend 1 or friend 3, for example. So any function can use the global. They don't need to even not to declare. Any function can use it inside their function body. So global, that's what global. But anything comes in, say xyz, so you guys can put a string or int, whatever you guys gonna put it. It's gonna be sitting here, and it's gonna be local to the function, local, because it's inside local variable, because it's inside the function. So whatever, if it's local, then it means this only this xyz functions can use this local. So and not my friends, they can use your whatever local variables you guys declare in xyz function. So we're gonna come here and see global friend 1, friend 2, and friend 3. We don't have a parameter, we don't have a return, and because we already declared our global variable. So we're gonna go and run. Alright, so now we are seeing the first one, and this is coming from our function. If you guys look in here, we're gonna put something nice here. So my friends, and you guys gonna put a concatenation my friends coming from function. Okay, so this is coming from the function, and this is not coming from the function. So what we're gonna do here, and we're gonna put an echo, and we're gonna put echo in our echo is gonna be br break, and we're gonna put something nice here, my friends coming from global variables. Okay, so now our friends coming, friend 1, friend 2, and friend 3, I need to put a concatenation here, coming from these guys here, because we don't have any variable here that says that Yazdani, Michael, or Azad. Is the only variables here is global variables, which is not inside our functions, as you guys seen, because we have a friend 1, friend 2, and friend 3 is declared outside the function, and here we are just using the function, and here this guy is here is just to put the first say Yazdani is first capital letters, first alphabet to copy capital letters, so uppercase first, so it means that we are directing is PHP, so instead of putting Yazdani like that, the first case is lower, to put a Yazdani uppercase like that. So this there is a difference here. If you guys don't put UC first, then you guys are going to get the lowercase first letter. So this is the function of this one, is only this one. There is no other function. This one doesn't have any other function. So, and the reason we are showing you guys, because the first one, all the letters going to be the lowercase, and after my functions is going to be uppercase. So that's how it is. And we're going to come here and we're going to look again. Okay, so my friends coming from global variable Yazdani, Michael, and Asad. My friends coming from the function, Yazdani, Michael, and Asad. So you guys gonna look how we gonna return the global variables from our function. So just keep in mind, we don't have anything as a parameter, we don't have anything as return. We are returning our variables. So if you guys looking here, my function, that was the different way of you guys can do that, and that's how you guys are going to return the numeric. You guys can do your whatever here in multiplication, whatever you guys want to do your function, and that's how. And you guys are going to return your friend's value. But if you guys want to say do array, you just put array here. So if you put array, then you guys gonna just put array here. So, and then make sure you guys remove this one as well. So you guys gonna say friend 1, you guys cannot use the concatenation in array, you guys can use comma in array, just use comma and use comma here. Alright, so that's how easy peasy. Look at here, that's how you guys gonna use global variables. As a PHP programmers, you guys are expected to use your global variables all the time, because we're going to write our program with a lot of global variables, especially with the login and register. And you guys going to be your login, and you're going to be your all your global variables going to be here. And for every function, you guys needs to use the global variables. And you're going to have, say, in every program, you guys might have, say, at least 50 functions or more than 50 functions. So in every function gonna use this global variable, especially with the database and MySQL. So you guys are expected to put a lot of global variables like in MySQL, and sometime with the value, sometime without value, and you guys are expected to use that global variable inside the function. So that's how you guys going to return the global variables, and this is the template. You guys can put your whatever global variables here and just declare your global variable, and you can use it. You guys, if you don't want, you can put it here, but this is just for to make it look nice. That's it. If you don't want it to look nice, or you guys want something else, you guys can put it here. And that's how you guys gonna put your global variables here, and it's gonna be after when you guys using the global variables, because inside your functions you guys don't have value for this one, for your global variables. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel for more cool videos. If you guys got any question or comment, leave it in the comment box. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next video, and bye.